Look at this place, boys. It's like a Vietnamese super cheap auto. FDA performance, brother. Not normal. Now it's a big sleeper. Hey YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden, back at again with another video. Before I start this video, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who bought a sticker from Shop FDA. But we're in the Starlet right now, about to head down to the post office and send out some more orders. Like, look at this, boys. So this is day 2, so this isn't even the first batch. But you guys are definitely killing it with the orders, and it definitely means a lot. I was filling out orders to places that I've never even heard of before. Like, for example, Brighton in Queensland. And good old Springvale, it's pretty much Melbourne's version of Cabramatta.
Look at this dude, bruh.
But anyways, let's get down to the post office. Ah, mate. The grind life, boys. Gotta love it. Back in the Starlet. And that's pretty much all the work I have to do today. Definitely beats working as a mechanic, that's for sure. And if you're thinking about starting up your own business or something like that, let me tell you boys, it's not easy. Because if you're just doing it as a side hustle and you're working a 9 to 5 already, you're gonna get home, you're gonna ship out orders, and you're gonna stay up to like 1 AM. And if you're not enjoying it, it's gonna be real tough. The Starlet has become quite the delivery van. But anyways, that's my mail run finished for the day, so I'll probably talk to you guys later. So starting the day off, my mate Richie called me up and he asked if I have any spare wheel bearings for a Sportivo. And if you guys have been subscribed for a while, then you know we got him. FDA spares, we've got everything for a Sportivo. So I'm gonna go bring these to Richie and might as well fix my own wheel bearing in the Starlet. It's gonna be heavy though. I'm an animal. Alright, hectic. Alright boys, so on our way to my mate Richie's house right now, and we're probably gonna get a quick workout in before we start working on the cars. So I'll probably speak to you guys there. Just made it to the gym, boys, so we're gonna get a quick pump in. You know you're out west when you train at Revolutions.
First time doing deadlifts. Four more. Three more.
I just want to be as big as Richie. Look at him, he's not normal.
I'm tryna get close to you, cause to be honest, I hate being alone, yeah. And to be honest, I've been dead wrong, so baby, my heart cold. I just wish I could show you. I got some feelings that I won't show, yeah. Keep them aside, you won't ever know, yeah. Oh, you want me to open up? No, cause I do not know what you gon' do with it whenever we fight. And I know it's got you tweaked, yeah. Girl, it ain't easy me to ever talk, I'ma keep it real. Talking about you need me. She say, do you love me? I say that I do, but I never will.
2 hours later.
Alright boys, that's one workout done. I am dead and so weak. Richie, you can take the keys to the Starlet, bro. I can't be bothered driving right now. I can't steer, bro. My arms are so sore. Open sesame, bro.
You already sent out all your orders?
Yeah, I already sent out all the orders for the day. Oh, that just adds to the character, mate.
I've got some tin at home. I'm gonna try and use it one day.
Oh yeah, we'll tint the Starlet.
Yeah.
Boys, I'm so weak, but that's why we go to the gym, to get stronger. Look at the gains, mate. Protein shake on the go.
Shit, my hands is doing very hard.
Oh, another Starlet. That's my brother. Oh, that's that chick. I love her. We're back at Richie's house right now, and I'm dead after the gym. So we got the hubs right here. We're gonna go to Turbo and get some new wheel bearings for it. That's it, just bring this. Back in the T-Bow. So right now we finna head down to Cabra, go to Turbo, get some wheel bearings and get something to eat, because we are starving. Alright boys, we made it to Turbo Spares right now. This is like Dominic Toretto's shop, but in Vietnam.
What I'm saying.
Look at this place, boys. It's like a Vietnamese super cheap auto.
Yeah. The bearing's still okay now. I just wanted before I put it. Change there.
Put him there.
Where? On the floor?
Okay. So you play now.
How long was you can take to the 8? Can't 8 come back.
The thing is, you so lower and Rick is still right?
Cheap one.
Cho bỏ vô đi chứ tôi đâu có việc gì đâu. Chỗ nào sẽ viết chỗ nào tôi không thấy thì.
Come on. Alright boys, we got Hot Star right here. And if you got a Cabra, if you know, you know. That sugarcane juice. New wheel bearing just got pressed in. So probably in the next few episodes, we're gonna chuck this into the Sportivo. Richie is a happy man. And we also got new wheel bearings for the Starlet too. So we're probably gonna save it for another episode where we chuck them both in. But right now we're finna put the FDA performance stickers on Richie's cars. Look at this guy. So we got a sticker for the Sportivo and a banner for the FN2. It's so windy. Centered. No, it looks about right. Maybe line it up with that line so it's like...
Yeah, that's straight. Shall I go one down or?
Nah, probably one up.
It's under the thing, but...
Yeah, it's subtle, but... So it's more like if you know, you know. It's built, brother. By FDA Performance. These are quality stickers right here.
That's just gonna get like that.
The most satisfying part though.
Truth.
The moment of truth. It's not normal. Oofed. Is that a Lamborghini? Is that a Lamborghini? Yeah, I reckon putting it there would look not normal. Yo. FDA Performance, brother. Boys, I've been so busy I haven't even had time to put it on the Starlet yet. Just rub it down. Now it's a big sleeper. Yes, sir. Roadside Mechanics back at it again. Boys, when you peel these stickers off, make sure you do it slowly and on an angle. Or else you'll lose some letters. Like my mate Peter. That's it. Slap it on there, brother. Yo. Not normal. And the last one on Richie's toolbox. Alright boys, it's time to head home. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. So if you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and maybe leave a comment down below. The winner of the Varex muffler will be announced in 2 weeks, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, be sure to get your stickers before they sell out. Till next time guys, peace.
I told my mama that we good no matter the situation. Big crib in California where I'm situated. And everybody think it's cool because I'm rich and famous. But they will never understand what my pain is. I told my dog